Reporting is a key part of daily operations, helping users quickly access and analyze system data. Secure IQ version 3.20 introduces a modern reporting experience. Secure IQ includes 24 predefined report templates designed to support common reporting needs. Organized into key categories, these templates allow users to quickly generate reports without needing to build them from scratch. To get started, navigate to Personnel Administration and select Reports. Across the top of the page, the filter bar allows reports to be narrowed down. Reports can be filtered by type, allowing you to view either system or custom reports. Reports can also be filtered by category, with 9 different categories available to further narrow down the results. In addition, results can be filtered and sorted to quickly refine the report list. To get started, either create a new report or open an existing query. Complete any required fields and add filters if you want to further refine the results. Once ready, run the report. After the report is generated, results can be refined using in-place filtering. Additional filters can also be added to further tailor the query. In this example, we're identifying personnel in the lab area who are fire marshal trained. Once complete, select Save As. Enter a name for the report and optionally provide a description, then click Save. Saved reports can be exported in CSV or PDF format. Reports can also be scheduled to run automatically. From the Report context menu, select Set Schedule. Choose a schedule from the available options. Then specify the email recipients by entering an email address or email group ID. Optionally, add a message to be included with the report email. Finally, select whether the report should be sent in CSV or PDF format and click Done. The Recent Activity panel lets you quickly access recently generated reports, giving users options to view, download, and track report status. Reports can be filtered by status, such as exporting, ready, or failed, to easily monitor progress and availability. Thank you for watching. For more videos on Secure IQ version 3.20, check out our support portal.